This is Marshall Gittler, Head of Investment Research here at FXPRIMUS, bringing you my North American opening market comment for May 26th. Now, the North American day starts with U.S. durable goods. They've trended largely sideways over the last year, and this month's data isn't likely to break the pattern, especially as demand for energy-related equipment remains quite weak. Yesterday's figure for new home sales for April was the highest since 1992. It'll be interesting to see today if pending home sales are also surging. There's some talk that the sharp rise in new home sales was due to the change in when Easter took place and that there might be some payback next month. If, however, pending home sales surge in April too, then it might confirm the strength of the housing market and be positive for the dollar. Late in the day, or Friday morning Tokyo time, Japan announces its consumer price index. The figures are expected to show inflation slowing or deflation worsening. The question is that good news or bad? Recently, Japan has been in a bad news is good news regime, where signs of weakness in the Japanese economy suggest that the Bank of Japan is likely to take further stimulus measures. That boosts the stock market and thereby causes dollar-yen to move higher. In other words, the yen to weaken. Slowing inflation could therefore dampen the recent rally in the yen. The G7 summit will also end overnight. As I said yesterday, I doubt if they'll come up with the solution to the world's problems. At the last summit in June of 2015, the countries promised such controversial goals as to implement our fiscal strategies flexibly to take into account near-term economic conditions. About FX, they just said that they reaffirm our existing G7 exchange rate commitments. These aren't particularly controversial goals that don't commit anybody to doing anything different than they're currently doing. I expect to see something similar again. This is Marshall Gittler, Head of Investment Research at FXPRIMUS. Get more market insights on our education pages and turn your trading ideas into action with FXPRIMUS, the safest place to trade.